Hello everybody. Today I would like to present my paper with the title Usability Evaluation of the Participatory Based KMS Sawit Mobile Application with the author Mr. Irman Hemadi, me, Mrs. Yani Nurhadiani, and Mr. Auzias Varian. We are from Indonesian country. KMS Sawit is a mobile application created to increase the productivity of Indonesian people palm oil plantation. So far, IPB University has completed the KMS Sawit 1.0 application whose user interface has been integrated with the backend. However, for the KMS Sawit to be launched to public, the user interface and functionality of the application need to be tested. This is to determine the usability level of the application. Method for usability evaluation combine CTA test, the concept of severity ratings, and SUS test. Recommendations for improvement are made by selecting problems with high priority to be resolved. The testing was carried out after the application was repaired and it was found that the respondent did not experience similar problems. The productivity of Indonesian smallholder oil palm plantation (PR) from 2013 to 2017 is the lowest compared to private and state-owned oil palm plantation. In 2020, a research team from IPB built an Android-based mobile application called KMS Sawit. KMS Sawit was created to help overcome the problem experienced by smallholder palm oil farmers so that the productivity of smallholder palm oil plantation increase. Usability testing is needed to determine the level of ease of the device to be understood, to be studied, to be operated, and to make user interested in using the application. The usability evaluation that will be carried out in this study has 4 steps. The steps are studying the system to be tested, CTA and SUS testing, recommendation for improvement, retesting CTA and SUS. Concurrenting allowed testing use task scenario. At the time of testing, the respondent must verbalize when completing the given task. Verbalization from the user allow observer to interpret the interface part that has problem. System usability scale is the method that uses a questionnaire. Severity rating is the technique used by application assessor to identify the most serious usability problem in user interface design and can provide a rough estimate of effort to improve the usability aspect of user interface design. This application is called KMS Sawit 1.0. This application has 4 main menus are Home, Save, Draft, and Profile. The Home menu contains features to create and share knowledge information with fellow application users and contain information about the KMS Sawit application. Save menu display any content that has been saved by the user, making it easier for the user to open the knowledge information that has been previously saved. Draft menu sought to save the display of the result of the draft made on the Home menu before being shared with the all application user. Profile menu display information related to the profile and can be used to change user profile information for the KMS Sawit application. Usability testing was carried out on 6 substitute farmer respondents who have similar characteristics to palm oil farmers in general. According to Nielsen, CTA testing using only 3 to 5 respondents was able to find usability problem as much as 70 to 85% on the left side. That show the task scenario we used during the test, and the other side is the result from the CTA test. Based on the table, most of the respondents experience problem in tasks 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. On the left side, that's how the SUS questionnaire we used during the testing. The questionnaire has 10 questions with scale from 1 to 5. Based on the SUS method, if the user strongly disagree with the SUS question, then a scale of 1 will be used, and so on. Each question has a weight score from 0 to 4. If the question is on odd number, the score obtained equal to the scale value minus 1. If the question is on even number, the score obtained equal to value of 5 minus the scale value. If the score has been obtained, add up all the score and multiply by 2.5 to get the individual score. Overall score will obtain by average the individual score. The overall score we get in this result is 71.667. This is the problem that we obtain from the test result. The weighting of the severity rating is based not only on the number of valid respondents but also on application error that do not respond when respondents provide input to the application. This is the recommendation we made based on the result of the problem found during testing. There is an additional page that shows the label register and login, also clearly asking whether the user already has an account or not. This improvement is expected to make it clear to user that user need to register account to login and access the feature of the KMS application. And the other one, in previous version, some status message that so appear are not implemented, so users are confused about whether the application is working or not. By implementing the status message, it's hoped that the user will find out the email has not been registered. Just the user realize that the input given is the problem, not the application that is not working. Left figure is show the change to the home menu. A simple square button containing a plus sign is replaced with the square button that really shows the feature of creating content. Based on the observation, farmers are more concerned with the square button than simple circular button. And the others one is show the change of to the bookmark icon. In previous version, this icon is very small, so it does not attract the user attention. We then zoom it and added a status message when the user used the feature to let the user know that the knowledge they saw has been saved. Retesting has been carried out with new respondent who has similar characteristics to the previous test and no similar problem were found as in the previous test. Although it still takes time, users are better at completing task scenario after the application interface is fixed. Thus, it can be said that the improvement results have increased the ease of use of the KMS Awit application. The overall score from retest also increased to 80.625 points. The usability evaluation test on the KMS Awit mobile application using the concurrent think aloud and system usability scale method on 6 substitute farmers will become respondent were successfully carried out. Recommendations for improvement in several features in the KMS Awit application were made based on the test result. We have improved the KMS mobile application according to the recommendation. The testing was also carried out on 4 new substitute farmers. The 4 substitute farmers have same characteristic with the 6 farmer before. The method for retesting also the same with the previous test. The improvement that had been made were proved to able help the respondent in completing the task given during the retesting. In addition, after the application interface was improved, the SUS retest score was higher than the SUS score from sick farmer. The worsening of COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia has prevented us from meeting palm oil farmer directly. This is because the residents of palm oil farmer and us are in different provinces. For this reason, the respondents of palm oil farmer are replaced with wetland farmer who have similar characteristics to palm oil farmer in general. Also, for this reason, usability testing can only be carried out on 10 substitute farmers. However, several factors can justify the choice of the number of respondents. According to Nielsen, CTA testing using only 3 to 5 respondents was able to find usability problem as much as 70 to 85%. Although there is a justification for choosing small number of respondents from the CTA side, That is not from the SUS side. According to Tulis and Stetson, the SUS test can only produce the correct conclusion percentage of 80 to 100% if the number of respondents around 10 to 12. So it is also necessary to increase the number of respondents in future research to meet the better requirement for the SUS test. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention.